Hi, today we have the second problem for a disorder of the eye, and the problem reads senile entropion, left upper eye. Okay, is it upper eye? Let me see, upper eyelid, right? There's a lid missing here. All right, now the word entropion, what does it mean? Let's use a little terminology here. En means inward. Entropion means turning or folding. So, what does it mean? It means that the eyelid folds inward and then the eyelashes rub against the cornea. We're going to show you a picture, but so you understand, en means inward, entropion means folding or turning inward. Okay? And the other word that you have to understand in our problem is senile. Senile just means old age. Senile means old age. Okay, so let me explain to you what exactly is entropion. Let's go to the computer. Right here. This is the lower eyelid, and this is how it looks normal. You see? It is normal, it is perpendicular, it is not touching the cornea. This is the cornea. Now, entropion is when the eyelid kind of turns or folds inward and starts touching the cornea. You see? So that is a disorder because it hurts the cornea, it touches the cornea. There's another one that is ectropion, which ek is out. Ectropion means that the eyelid falls out, causes other problems. But the problem we'll study today is entropion. The eyelid, in this case, the lower eyelid falls inward and touches the cornea. In our case, it's not the lower eyelid, but it's the upper eyelid, which is the same thing, the same idea. It turns inward. Okay? So now I'm going to take the camera, and Stephanie's going to explain to you the path and how to find the code for that. Okay? Ready?
Almost. Okay.
All right. So this is the whole solution to the problem. Here you go. You can pause it and study, and we're going to explain to you. Okay, start, honey.
All right. First, we go to these tips.
Can you read the problem first? Senile.
All right. First, the problem is senile entropion, left upper eyelid.
Okay. The tips would be.
The first one is in terminology. En means inward.
Okay.
Entropion is turning towards.
Towards the inward. Okay. All right. How do we find the code?
Okay. This is code 1. You go to first the index.
Okay. Go to one index, right?
Go to index.
Go to index.
Then you go to entropion of eyelid.
Can you point with
right.
Yeah.
Here.
It's easier to see. Okay. You go to index, right?
Go to index. Then you go to entropion.
Entropion.
Eyelid.
In parentheses you find
Eyelid.
Eyelid. And then you go to
senile.
And
then left. Then the next upper. Then you get to that answer. Well, to get this code first. H02.034.
Okay. Why don't we do that now?
Okay.
So I'm going to review that while you're opening the book. Go to index. Go to entropion. Eyelid. Go to senile. Go to left. And go to upper. Let's do that.
Okay. Here's entropion.
Entropion, okay.
That's the eyelid.
Eyelid. And then
you go down to senile.
Go down to senile, okay.
Then you go to left.
Left.
Then you go to upper.
Upper. And that's our code, right?
Yes.
H02.034. Right? Okay. Now we have to check it in the tabular. How do we check in the tabular?
This is the first tabular. You go to tabular. Then you go to H02. Other disorders of eyelid.
Okay.
Then H02.0.
So you start with the first 3 characters and then you go character by character, right? So the character number 4 would be 0 for entropion. And then?
Yes. And then H02.03. Senile.
Senile. And then?
Then you go to H02.034. Left upper eyelid.
And the equal sign means that we have confirmed that this is our code, right? So, okay, let me review again. You go to the tabular, you go to the first three characters, HO2. What is that? It's other disorders of eyelid, right? From there, you keep adding characters. HO2.0, it's entropion, which we're right in the right path. Then HO2.03 is senile. Then HO2.034 is left upper eyelid, and that's why we have the code, right? Now do it on the book, okay?
Here we go. In the tabular, 802.
Okay. All right. Let's see. 802, other disorders of eyelid, and then
802.0, entropion.
Entropion, and trichiasis of eyelid, but we're concerning entropion, so keep going.
Okay. 802.03.
Why 03?
It's a senile.
Senile, okay.
And 802.034.
Because it's left upper eyelid, right?
Right.
And that is a confirmation of our code, 802034. And if we go back to our computer screen, the answer would be, it's just one code. The parenthesis means just one code, and the answer is
802.034.
Thank you. Thank you. And we just check with the book. HO2034. That's the answer. And we finish this with an invitation for you to go to our website. Thank you for watching.